The long arm crunch primarily targets the upper abs. By extending your arms overhead, it increases the challenge by lengthening the lever, thus making your core work harder to lift your upper body. Here's how to do it correctly. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. Extend your arms straight back behind your head with your biceps by your ears and palms facing up. Engage your core by pulling your belly button in toward your spine and press your lower back into the floor. Exhale to engage your core as you raise your shoulders and upper back off the floor, keeping your neck and head in a neutral position to avoid straining. Keep your arms extended and in line with your ears throughout the movement as you crunch up. Focus on using your abdominal muscles to lift your upper body rather than using any swinging motion with your arms to create momentum. At the top of the movement, pause for a moment and squeeze your abs, feeling the contraction in your upper core. Inhale as you slowly lower your upper body back to the starting position, keeping the movement controlled. Ensure your lower back stays in contact with the floor throughout the exercise. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.